Walang nagtuturo nito sa school, pero ito ang sikreto ng mga profitable traders.
Attention humans, important system notification. My programming requires I deliver this disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Trade at your own risk. Past performance does not guarantee future results.
Alam mo ba na ang daming Pinoy na gusto talagang matutong mag-trade? Pero bakit 90% sa kanila nauubos ang puhunan in just a few months? Simple lang, they don't have the right tools, wala silang sistema, at lalong-lalo na wala silang guidance. At madalas umaasa lang sila sa mga hula or hype sa mga social media. Actually, yung mga yan, libre ko lang binibigay yan sa Top Trader Community Philippines. Hi, my name is Topi and I'm the founder of Top Trader Community Philippines. Ito ang good news. Markets for You is a changing game. Markets for You is a broker platform na isa sa pinagkakatiwalaan ko. At syempre, ginagamit ko sa pagte-trade. Markets for You is built for people like you and me. Mga gustong kumita sa trading pero ayaw nang maligaw. Let me break it down for you. Number 1, my structured learning path. Hindi kayo iwan sa ere. May lessons for beginners, intermediate, at syempre sa mga advanced traders. From ano ang candlestick, hanggang paano gumawa ng trading plan, meron dito. Number 2 is real-time mentorship. Hindi to gaya ng iba na bahala ka na sa buhay mo. Meron kang makakausap, makakatulong at magbibigay ng feedback sa'yo. Number 3, updated market insights. Laging may bagong analysis, strategies, and even risk management tips para hindi ka basta-basta nagpapadala sa hype. Number 4, safe and regulated environment. Hindi ka matatakot na baka ma-scam, legit, may support, at may community. Syempre, may sistema. Community na may malasakit. Ito yung pinaka-underrated pero powerful part. You're not trading alone. May kasama kang mga kagaya mo, may support, may kwentuhan, at may tulungan. Alam mo kung anong resulta nito? Less stress, better discipline, and most importantly, mas mataas ang chances mo kumita consistently. Markets for You empowers you to trade the right way. Hindi pa pogi lang o swerte lang. Informed, strategic, and profitable. So kung gusto mong seryosohin ang trading journey mo, start with the right foundation. Register today sa Markets for You. It's free, no pressure, and the best investment is knowledge. Click the link in my bio at umpisahan na natin ang smart trading journey mo. See you sa next video. Follow for more.